Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are checking out Grand Casino Mille. It is located in 777 Grand Avenue, Onamia, Minnesota. It is on trust land within the Mille Indian Reservation. The casino was built in 1991 and the property's adjacent hotel was later constructed in 1997. And it underwent a massive renovation in July 2024. So the hotel has 7 floors and it has a total of 494 rooms. It has in-room refrigerator, microwave, and coffee machine. Also has free toiletries, free Wi-Fi, and free self-parking. This casino has decent sized room. So the rate for this hotel is around $100 per night if booked in advance. Overall, the stay was good. The only downside was the water pressure on the shower. It's a little bit low. Otherwise, everything was clean, bed was comfy, and it doesn't smell. Also, this hotel has 1 indoor pool and 1 hot tub, and it opens from 8 a.m. until midnight. Sorry guys, I didn't get to video the pool, but it was big. So the casino has a few restaurants on site and they usually specializes in American cuisine. We got burgers and pizza for breakfast and the price was decent. So the name of the restaurant is called Plums. This is their lobby area. They also have a gym which is open 24 hours, but I forgot to video it. That's all for today. Hope this video helps you find the right hotel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!